How do I schedule a meeting?
Use the calendar app to schedule it.
Can you help me with this report?
Sure, what do you need help with?
Where is the conference room?
It's down the hall to the right.
What is the project deadline?
It's due next Friday.
Can you review my presentation?
Yes, I'd be happy to.
How do I connect to the Wi-Fi?
Use the network Office and Work and password welcome 123.
Who do I contact for IT help?
Contact the IT department.
Can I take a half day off tomorrow?
Yes, inform your manager and update the system.
Where is the sales report?
It's in the shared drive under Sales Reports 2024.
Are we having a team meeting today?
Yes, at 3 p.m. in the main conference room.
How do I order office supplies?
Use the online portal or email the admin team.
What's the office dress code?
It's business casual.
Can you sign this document?
Sure, I'll sign it now.
How do I request a vacation day?
Use the HR system or submit a leave form to HR.
Where is the printer?
It's in the copy room next to the kitchen.
Can you update me on the project status?
Yes, we're on track to finish by Thursday.
How do I log my work hours?
Use the time tracking system.
What's the agenda for the meeting?
Project updates, deadlines, and issues.
How do I join the conference call?
Use the dial-in number and access code from the email.
Can you help me with this Excel formula?
Of course, what do you need help with?
What time is the lunch break?
From 12 p.m. to 1 p.m.
How do I submit my expense report?
Use the expense management system.
Can I use the meeting room for a call?
Yes, book it in advance and keep it brief.
Who handles marketing materials?
Contact the marketing department.
How do I access the intranet?
Use your employee login credentials.
Is there a cafeteria?
Yes, on the first floor.